My name is Kevin Johnson. I work for Lithco Contracting as a project coordinator. This project is in Cameron Village, just outside of downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. It's a 8-story hotel along with a 3-story parking garage. The systems we're using is the Olma Formadeck, as well as with perimeter tables. And then we're using the Megalite system for walls and columns.
What I like about the shoring system itself is that it's very flat deck friendly. We're averaging about 3,000 to 4,000 square feet a day with 7 to 8 guys. It increases once we're wide open. I think that the choice that we made over here by using perimeter tables was a plus, especially when we're stripping. We're stripping the inside of the shafts with the crane, averaging out 10 to 15 minutes to strip and jump the tables. So it's very, very quick.
The communication that we've had between Olma and Lithco has been really, really good. Anytime that we've had an issue or a question, we can reach out, text, phone call, email. The whole Olma team has been very responsive.
For a superintendent, if you have questions, they've always been there and they see the same thing that we see on field. One thing that I like about the communication is that the engineer, Renata, kind of got the same view as we got when we sent her questions. Like, hey, look, I don't like this table in this spot, or can we do something different? And she sees the way that we're doing it. Very quick response.
Definitely helped to have Renato come out and spend a day with us, help us to learn different parts and pieces and how they all go together, as well as how to perform, good quality checks and inspect the pieces as we're moving along to make sure that everything is in good shape so we can keep that high production. Every project is unique. It's going to have its own challenges. I know Olma has multiple solutions to fit those challenges, so it's really just about finding that right piece and right tool for the job. But yeah, absolutely, we would consider Olma for our next project.